Hey guys, it's me again. Video number 2. What up? Going in today with a look kind of neutral. Still really digging this choker and kind of playing off the looks off of that. Yeah. So hope you like it. MI Creme de Nail. And then prep my under eye with the e.l.f. under eye primer. Going in with my favorite Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in golden beige, using an e.l.f. Ultimate blending brush. Now I'm going to use my dual-ended contour stick by Wet n Wild. I'm going to apply it on my cheekbones, my forehead, my nose, and my chin, and blend it out with my Tarte dual-ended brush. It's like a fluffy cloud using this brush. Next, I'm going to use some Noya Peppermint Organic Chapstick and go into my brows with the e.l.f. Lock-On Liner and Brow Cream. Brush them out with my e.l.f. brow wand. And I believe I'm using a Kiko Milano eyeliner brush. This is the LA Colors strobing powder. I'm obsessed with it. It's so freaking holographic and gorgeous, and it's only $3, and I'm in love. I'm going to apply it to my cheeks, my nose, my chin, my whole face. Get that Cupid's bow. This is a eyeshadow by ColourPop Cosmetics called Paper Tiger. It's matte, and it's a free-matic eyeshadow, so you need to put in a little compact. And now I'm using by Mellow Cosmetics Treasure Chest palette, the Rose Gold shade, with an Eco Tools brush. Going in with my Cella Ivory Brow under eyebrow highlight. Blending that out with an e.l.f. brush. Kind of just prepping the brow bone to add some more of that dope highlight. Just dabbing it off with the powder puff before I apply my MAC Cosmetics Nude de Jour matte lipstick. Almost out of this baby, it's amazing. More strobing powder on the lips. Now I'm going in with my Douce Punk Volumizing Mascara. I'm going to apply a few coats of that. Get a little bit on my brow bone there, fixed it. Now I'm going to follow up with some Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. I mostly put it on the bottom lash, but I am going to double pack it on the top just to get an extra lift since I'm not using eyeliner today. And there you have it. That's my natural look.